Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Sky again. Okay, I hope y'all guys remember this picture that we draw in the last video of the lesson 3 drawing in the game lab, and it is the free play puzzle. Okay, so today I will upgrade this panda face to this. Okay, like I post in the community in the YouTube. Okay, and you can see it here. I will upgrade the panda to full of panda's image like that. Okay, now let's draw this panda together. Okay, so let me delete this first. Okay, this panda is out of that. Okay, so press run. Okay, nothing here. Now I show a grid. Okay, first of all, I would like to draw the the body of the panda. Okay, now I just comment here. I just write the comment draw body. Okay, so I will fill it with the first body of the panda. It is black. Okay, and after that I need an ellipse. Okay, to make the body. Okay, of the panda. I go to 200 and 250 and 200. Okay, no, excuse me, sorry. Okay, like that. Okay, let me try to run first. Okay, this is the body of the panda. Okay, and after that I will draw another one. Is draw the belly. Draw the belly. I fill it with the white color. Okay, you can drag and drop the block or you can write it. Okay, so for me I use the write method. Okay, I need a ellipse again and I go to 200 again and 250, and after that this one is not 250, 275, and this one is should be 150. This belly a little bit smaller than the body. Okay, like that. And after that you have to draw the leg. Okay, now I draw legs. Okay, draw leg called panda. First I will fill with the color of black. Okay, and after that I need an ellipse with the position of the ellipse is 120 and 325, and the size is I used the 80. Let me try and run. Okay, this one. And after that I need another one is the also the ellipse again. Okay, the left legs of the panda, and it is should be 270 at the same location of the right leg. Okay, and the side also the same as 80. Okay, let me run. Okay, like that. And after that you have another one is we draw the leg the same. Okay, this leg but the fill is not black anymore. It is need a little bit small is white. Okay, now I use white fill. I need an ellipse. Okay, the ellipse I use the same location 120, and with this the same. Okay, but the size is a little bit smaller than that. It just should be 55. Okay, I need an ellipse one more again is 270, 325, and 55. Okay, like that. Let me try and run. Okay, you see like that. Uncheck it and you can see it like the same like this. Okay, this is okay. So let's go to the next. And now what we have to draw is draw the hand. Okay, the hand is I need the first one is the vice. Okay, vice hand first. No, black, sorry, I need a black one. And after that you need an ellipse again with 110x 180 with the size is 80, like that. Run. Okay, awesome. And after that you have another ellipse. Is it should be around 290 and 180, and the size is also 80, the same. Okay, this is the left hand. Okay, and after that you have the fill again with the y. Okay, to make it more beautiful. Okay, and you need a ellipse again with the 110 with the 180, and size is 55, like that, the same. Okay, ellipse again with 290 with 180, the 555, the same, like that. Okay, reset and run. Okay, awesome. What you have to draw more is the head and eye and nose and ear. So first you have to draw the ear first. Okay, so draw the ear. Okay, draws ear. So maybe I forgot this. Draw. Okay, draw ear. You have to draw the black. Okay, so you have fill as should be black. Okay, and after that you have to use ellipse again. The ear should be around 130 and 60, like that. Let me try. Okay, all feels black. Oh, I have something wrong here. BL, sorry. Okay, like that. So this is the right ear. So we have to draw again. Need the ellipse again. Ellipse, okay. With 270 and 60, the same with the side. Okay, let's try. Okay, this is the ear, and after that you have to draw the head. Okay, draw head. The head you need the fill is should be wise. Okay, wise. And after that you need an ellipse again with the size of the head is a little bit big. Okay, with the position of x 200 and 100, x and y 150. Okay, it is size the same to the belly. Okay, okay, nearly done. Okay, so what you have to draw more is the eye. Okay, the eye is a little bit messy because we have the three circle or three ellipse here. For the first one is black, after that white, and the smallest is black. Okay, so let's go. Now we draw eyes. Okay, and draw eye you need a fill. For the first one is black. Okay, and the size is black. It should be the position is should be 170, and the size should be 25 and 35 of size. Okay, run. Okay, this one. And another one is you need the left eye is be 230 and 75 with the same size is 35. Okay, reset and run. Cool. Another one is you need to fill again. This is the y eye. Okay, okay, this is should be the y. Okay, and you need an ellipse again with the position of x is 175, and the size, the y is not 100 anymore, 100, it should be 80, and the I is should be 20 for this. Let me try. Reset and run. Okay, this one. So after that, you need an ellipse again with 225 and 225. This one HT is should be 20 again. Okay, and space this. Okay, another one is fill black again. Okay, fill, that is the black one. It is the smallest one in the eye. Okay, so you have to fill after fill you have an ellipse again. Okay, this ellipse is the position should be 175. It is the same, and HT X the same, but what different is the size. Okay, ellipse again, and this one it should be 225, 80, and 10. Okay, that's cool. I think, oh, what is problem with this first 225? Oh, this one is HT, not 19. Okay, that is problem here. Okay, nearly done. What you have to draw more is nose and the mouth. Okay, so let's draw the nose. Okay, nose and mouth same. Okay, mouth same here. So I make it a little bit more. Okay, so the nose is a little bit more messy with this. Okay, so first I need a fill is black. Okay, and after that I need an ellipse with the x is 200 and 120 is y with the size is 30. This is the nose here, and after that you need mouth. Okay, so the mouse is a little bit messy, but now I just need a rectangle first. Okay, we use this only the one rectangle for this time, and the size here that should be 197 with the position of the y is 120. The size, the width of this rectangle is 6, and the y should be 30. Okay, run. Okay, it's down here. After that you have to draw the left and right the mouth. Okay, so let me go here and cut it, make another one command here, draw mouse. Okay, the mouse is we use with the point. Okay, we do not use the ellipse or rectangle, so I use the stroke way first. For the first is I need a 15. Okay, and after that I need a point, is this is the big one. The point is should be go to 192 and oh no, 100, and this one should be the biggest, should be 200 with the x should be here center. Okay, 200, and the y position is should be around 150. Okay, let me try. Okay, this I forgot a semicolon here. Okay, it's nearly done. Okay, let's go again. And after that you have to draw the this mouse is left and right. Okay, mouse. Okay, so what you need is to use a point again, but this point is a little bit more little, so the size is a little bit little that than the first hit, so I use it only 10. Okay, this 10 I use point with the 192. Okay, 150. So another point is it should be 208 and 150. Okay, run it. What can we see? Okay, it's cool. So this one, I think I should move it up here. Move this point a little bit up. So this one should be 145. Can we see? Oh, no. It should be 148. No, not cute. Okay, now we use that. 150. Okay, this one. And we need another one of the point. Okay. And stroke weight for this time I use only around 8. Okay. This one I need a point again. With a position of point, it should be 188 and 148. Okay. Another point is around 212, 148. The same. Okay, reset and run. Okay, this is cool, but if you want more, you just need a stroke way again, and this one you should use it only 6 and need a point again. Okay, this time point. Okay, it should be around 184 and 146. Okay, another point is the last point, 216 with 146. Okay, I think this could be done. Reset and run. Okay, that's cool. This panda we draw completed. Okay, congratulations everyone. I hope you guys can do it. And one more thing is, if you want to change the background color, you can use this and draw background. Okay, it's up to you if you want to draw or not. You can just fill any color that you like. Okay, you can use blue, green, red, yellow, or for me I used hot pink. Okay, hot pink, and after that I draw a rectangle with start from x position 0 and y position 0 with the size is 400 of width and height should be 400. Okay, so that's one. Rectangle is not double or reset and run. Okay, that's cool. Okay, I hope you all guys can draw this panda, cute pandas. Okay, so all the codes I have drawn here, I will copy it and paste it or anything to the community tab. Okay, you can go to my community in the YouTube here and click like and share and comment. Okay, and if you do not subscribe to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification when I upload the new video. Okay, so in this video of the drawing and the game lab with the cute panda here, now it is complete. Okay, see you again in the next video.